Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. Guys, these are most probable solutions for week 1 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. For the past 6 years we have been providing solutions, guys. So now let's see the first question. What will be the final value of the counter? So for first question, first option 8 is the probable solution, guys. If you think there are any other solutions, you can please mention in the comment section, so we'll try to discuss and sort out that, right? Next, second question, what will be the value of the score? So for second question, third option 40 is the probable solution, guys. Next, third question, what is the final value of the score? So for third question, first option 22 is the probable solution, guys. Next, fourth one, how many times in total is the change counter by one block executed? So for fourth question, fourth option 8 is the probable solution. Next, fifth one, which statement is true? So for fifth question, third option, the sprite says the value of score only once. Next, sixth question, what will be the final value of counter? So for sixth question, second option 6 is the probable solution. Next, seventh one, what will be the value of score immediately after the repeat loop ends? So for seventh question, third option 42 is the probable solution, right? Now let's move on to the eighth one. What is the final value of bonus after the loop completes? So for eighth question, 12 is the probable solution. What is the final value of score after the bonus is added? So for ninth question, fourth option 54 is the probable solution, guys. 10th one, what message will the sprite display at the end of the program? So for 10th question, first option excellent is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the 11th question now. What will be the final value of battery when the loop stops? So for 11th question, third option 10 is the probable solution. Next, 12th one, how many times does the repeat until loop execute? Second option 5 is the probable solution, right? Next, 13th one, what will be the final value of cycles after the program finishes? So for 13th question, first option 5 is the probable solution. Next, 14th one, which statement about the repeat until block is true in Scratch? So for 14th question, fourth option, the loop stops immediately if the condition is already true. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 15th one, what message will the sprite display at the end of the program? So for 15th and final question, option 3, recharge needed is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 1 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So definitely subscribe our channel, like this video and share this with your friends and classmates through WhatsApp college groups, guys, unofficial groups. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this to upload more videos regarding this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.